Hello, welcome to our channel, Ayo Food channel. So today I want to show you how to transplant a lemongrass plant. How to transplant it. Like this one now, it has been inside this sack for about 2.5 months now. So I don't want it to remain inside the sack. So I want to transplant it on a land, so that it will expand more than this. So let me show you how I'm going to do it. So to do that is the root. I want to remove. I remove the root. I will not remove everything. It's just the root that I will remove. So I'll just take part of it. I'm not removing everything. They easily spread. So you see how I'm removing it. Just part of it. Oh, this is the one I'm going to transplant. If I want to transplant it now, it may be in 3 places or 4 places. I will distribute it. So this is where I want to transplant my lemongrass. I've already manured the land and put compost, mixed compost with the soil. So first of all, I will prepare the ground. You have to give them a space. So I will circle it where I want to put it, where I'm going to dig, because they normally spread. They are easy grow plants. They spread. So then I will dig it a little. I just want to put it 3. So take the second one to prepare the hole. So the third one too. And after that, I will now put my this thing. I want to put it. You see how it is? I can put. Look at it. With the root, it will grow. It's like this one. It's very simple. It's not that hard. Maybe the second one I put it. And you should do this any transplant that you want to do. Make it early in the morning or late in the evening. Don't transplant under or plant under sunny Doing the same. So because I still have more, so I have to expand my this thing. Let me put this one here. They are easy to plant. You don't need hay for lemongrass. Within 3 months they are. So after that, I will wet. You wet it very well. Wet it very well. Within 3 months, you will see the outcome. So that's how to transplant lemongrass or to plant lemongrass. Me, I want to expand the one I plant inside the sack. I want to expand it to now so that they will freely grow on the land than inside the sack. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channels and turn on the notification bell. So anytime we post a new video like this, you will get notification. Thank you. Bye bye.